Hello, today we're going to learn how to create soft shadows in Nuke. And we are going to add this shadow to the setup we made last time. So let's jump into Nuke. So this is getting a quite complex setup, so I will only explain the shadow casting part, as we already learned about the other before. So this is the scene that we have been working on all these few last lessons. So we have the camera that is tracked, and we have the box and the light, the floor and two walls. I added one more wall on the right side. And what we want to do now is to make sure that this light source is casting a shadow on the floor, because the ScanlineRender does not cast shadows with point lights. So we have to do that ourselves. And we also want to make the shadow be a soft shadow. So let's look at how to do this. So for this I have a setup like you can see here, where I placed a camera on top of the cube. And this camera will then render the cube with a holdout material and a white floor, and this will look like this. So now we basically have a shadow seen from the top, and the next thing is to render this from the main camera. So now we have the shadow seen from the main camera view. Okay, and next we are going to blur. First extend this to cover the full screen, and then add some blur so we get softness to the shadow. And I also have a gamma correction. And then I will combine this with the lit floor, and then add the wall and cube, and then the light, and this will then be multiplied with a plate. So here we have the light from the flame, and I also have a separate path that is the ambient light, and these two lights are added together, and then we add the flame on top, and this will then give us the complete result you can see here. And this is the result again in full screen. I hope this was helpful, and see you next time. Over and out.